Hi, this is the Honor Magic 5 Lite and I'll show you how to edit notification panel shortcuts on this device. So first open the control panel and find here the icon which you want to remove, or if you want to add some options here or just to change the positions of the icons, you should click here to this edit icon, and here you will see this down section with invisible options. To add them to your panel, you should first remove some from the icons from here, and now we got here for example one free just space. So to add the calculator or just another option, to remove some of them you should just hold the icon and drag it. To add the icon, hold it and drag it to the up section. To change the positions of the icons, we should hold it and drag it by the same way. And if you want to reset the changes, click to reset, tap to OK, and to save just the changes, you should click to done. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, leave thumbs up and subscribe our channel.